Okay guys, so once you've practiced drawing sort of rectangular shapes or square shapes in 3D in 1 point perspective, we'll try and draw a slightly different shape. So we'll do a prism. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video in just a sec. I'm going to draw a triangle down here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the vanishing point to create our prism. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. If you want to draw your triangle as well, you can pause the video too. Okay guys, so I've got my triangle drawn out here, and as with before, you've got to think to yourself, which corners will go to the vanishing point. Now, this corner over here has to go through the shape, so I can't draw that one. This one doesn't, so I can draw that one. So I'm going to draw that one in first. Again, remember, stick to the drawing lightly, firm the lines up afterwards. I'm just doing it so you can see it, okay? So now I'm going to do this one here. And I've got that going there. And final thing I'm going to do is draw my siding. Now this is where it's slightly different to these ones because we're not doing a horizontal or vertical line. We're going to use this line here as our guide. So I'm going to place my ruler on there like that. I'm going to move along as far as I need to, and then I'm going to draw this in pen. Obviously you do yours in pen, so I'm going to do the end of it there. So these lines here have to be parallel. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is just darken up the lines for the sides just so that they stand out a bit more. Okay, so that is how we draw a prism in 1 point perspective. What you should notice is it starts to get a bit smaller as it goes towards the vanishing point. Right, I'm going to pause the video again because I'm going to draw a triangle again. I'm going to draw it at the top this time, but this time we're going to make a pyramid out of it. Okay, and this will make more sense in just a moment. So I'm just going to pause the video to draw another triangle at the top. If you want to pause the video as well, so you've got that ready for the next step. Okay guys, so I've got my triangle drawn now, and we're going to do a square base pyramid from this. Now obviously this is a bit more sort of technical, does require a bit more thinking behind it, so you may not get this first time. So again, as with previously, what we're going to do is we're going to draw all the lines that we can see going towards the vanishing point. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is this one over here. So this corner here, I'm going to go to the vanishing point. Okay, then I'm going to do the same with this one. And then I'm going to do the same with this one here. Okay, so I've got my lines. In fact, I need to redraw that one. Sorry guys, made a bit of a mistake there. So take that to there. Okay, now our base for our pyramid is going to be square. So what we're going to do here is a horizontal line. So I'm just going to draw my horizontal line here like that. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a pen to just make it stand out a bit more. Now, this is where it can be a bit sort of, so what do you mean? We are going to draw from this corner to this line here. We're not going to the vanishing point now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from here to that edge there. And then that creates our pyramid. So the last thing I need to do is just firm these lines up a bit here, darken them out. That is my square base pyramid. It won't look regular. It'll look like this bit's getting stretched a bit. But that's how it's supposed to look. Because remember, it's getting pulled away. You're going towards this direction here. Now, the only thing is we're looking at it from the underside. When we draw it over here, it will look slightly different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one more video in a moment, which shows you how to do a pyramid from below the horizon line. Okay, so practice that. See how you get on with that. I've forgotten one line here. See how you get on with that, and practice it until you're confident with that.